Welcome back for this Eyewitness News special. COVID in our community, taking the lead in coordinating the effort to fight this pandemic and ensure public safety is government. From the White House to county offices, this is where the battle will be guided. Joining us this evening, once again, Oneida County Executive Anthony Picente. County Executive, thank you for joining us once again.
Thank you, Thomas. Thanks for having me.
First of all, we watched your Eyewitness News cut-in right here on your press briefing earlier today. There is one confirmed case in Oneida County. What information can you give us about that, and then also the status of the tests that we're still awaiting? Well,
we had our first confirmed test, confirmed individual in Oneida County was identified this morning. I can tell you that the individual was a traveler from abroad who immediately upon arriving felt ill and was tested immediately and quarantined immediately on March 13th. The test results came back very early this morning, in which we disclosed that to let people know that we had our first, which we understand we're probably going to get more. I've said that from day one, and I've said that when I was here last week as well. But so that person is currently in quarantine, is not hospitalized, and we will continue our monitoring of that.
And before we go any further here, this is a great medium for local officials to have to be able to speak to those in Oneida County. Do you particularly have a message you want to get out to those who certainly, just like all of us, have not dealt with something like this, but who are looking to local officials of county government for leadership? Do you have a message for those people?
Well, the message, I really want to first and foremost thank the health professionals in this community that were here before us, and all of the healthcare workers that are dealing with this pandemic each and every day here in Oneida County, but throughout the state and the country. This is, as I stated the other day, we're in no ordinary time here, and what we're dealing with is something that we have never dealt with before, and therefore it requires cooperation and patience. And to the people of Oneida County, I have to say thank you, and understand what we're going through is difficult. To the businesses, the entire economy that's taking a hit here, but it's in the interest of public health and safety. We have to keep saying that people always ask, what can we do to help? What you can do is stay at home. If you're sick, do not go to work. If you are healthy, stay healthy as best you can. Wash hands, avoid the contact, avoid large crowds, obviously, and stay within the number 10 of your circumstances, whatever they might be. All of the things we've been saying since day one, we want people to continue to do, and that's, I know that's hard, but we are in a crisis which requires that type of cooperation, and we're seeing that throughout this community.
And what's been the level of coordination between not only Oneida County and surrounding counties, but Oneida County and Albany, and Oneida County surrounding counties, and the federal government?
Well, clearly our work with state government is daily and really hourly as we deal with this crisis, and the state, the governor's office, the leadership from there has been helping us each and every day throughout. This is, with New York State with the largest number, it's really a great challenge for all of us, and especially in counties across the state, but we are working hand in hand with them. On the federal side, again, federal stimulus aid, that's going to help us as we combat this over the next several weeks and months, and even throughout this year, to again work with our healthcare providers, but also our emergency and first responders, getting equipment they need, and making sure that people are safe. So we're working closely as we can with that, understanding it's a universal. There's a universal impact here that. There's shortages here and there. We have to do the best we can with what equipment and information we have. We're getting information on a minute-by-minute basis, really, as this changes each and every day.
Well, County Executive, thank you. We'll have more with County Executive Anthony Picente right after this break. Stay tuned.